Good morning, children. So let's start chapter number 11, the Valley of Flowers. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. This place is called the Valley of Flowers. Okay. In some places, one sees red flowers blooming on bushes, while in others one finds white flowers peeping out between the stones. You can see here, children, there are beautiful flowers down here. Can you see? Lots of flowers here. Okay. So that is why it is Valley of Flowers, where everywhere you will see the flowers. So what is called the Valley of Flowers? The hills of Uttaranchal. Okay. There are wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers, and suddenly elsewhere blue flowers shining like a tiny stars between the grass. All this seems like a beautiful dream, doesn't it? Yes, because like a dream, these flowers bloom only for a few weeks in the year. Okay. Now close your eyes and imagine that you have reached such a place. How does it feel? Which song do you feel like singing? So children, you have to close your eyes and imagine that you are in a beautiful place where there is lots and lots of flowers. You are at a hill station where there is lot of flowers, or you are at a place in a natural beauty. Yeah, so you are, whether it's a garden or it's a scenic place where there is lots of flowers all over there. You just close your eyes and imagine that you are in the place where there is lots and lots of flowers of all the colors. How do you feel? Don't you feel very happy? Isn't it? Now, so are there anything in your house which have designs of flowers made on them? You must be having your clothes, some bed sheets which we put on the bed, some vase, isn't it? So children, this activity we will be doing textbook exercise 3 questions. You can do on your own. Have you ever seen so many flowers grow together anywhere? How many different colored flower you have seen, and write their colors. Okay. Now you have to tell me what are the things you have which has the pictures of flowers. So here is the floral design in the box. You can see this is the design. The design in the picture is called Madhubani. Children, you have to draw this picture and color it exactly the way it is. It is a very old form of folk art. Do you know why it is called Madhubani? There is a district in Bihar called Madhubani. Okay, there is a district in Bihar which has a name called Madhubani, and here only during the festival and happy occasions, the walls of the house and their courtyards are painted with such pictures. Okay, and this is very important paragraph, children. You have to mark it as very, very important. Okay, so here on happy occasions, the walls of the house and the courtyards are painted with such pictures. These paintings are made out of paste of colors, paste of powdered rice. Please underline, how do they make the colors? These paintings are made out of paste of powdered rice in which colors have been mixed. Color has been mixed. The color used in Madhubani painting are very special too. To make them, indigo, that is Neil, turmeric, haldi, colors from the flowers and trees, etc. are used. They use all the natural color, children. Okay, they use all the natural colors. The paintings show human beings animals, trees, flowers, birds, etc. Okay, you can see here. You can see in the diagram. So there is bird, there are flowers. You can also see there are animals, trees. This is human being also. Okay, so all kind of animals are here found in the painting. Okay, so the world of flowers. So here this is the activity which you have to do now. Here are some pictures of flowers. Mark a tick on the flowers which you recognize and write their names too if you can. Okay, so you can see these flowers. Please write the names from the picture given above and the other flowers that you know. Give names of two which grow on trees, which grow on bushes. So two flowers which grow on trees, two flowers which grow on bushes. Bushes, okay, like you know the bushes are the smaller than trees and bigger than herbs. They are bushes. So you have to write down the names. Now this activity is very important because these questions are always asked in the exams. Okay, so this you have to do. The grow on creepers. You have to write down the name of the flowers which grow on creepers, grow on water plants, bloom only at night, bloom in the day and closes at night. So you have to write the name of the flowers over here. Which flowers can you recognize by their scent even with your eyes closed? Do you have any flowers? Do you know any flower whose scent can we know? You can just recognize the smell even without looking at it. Do you know any one of them? So are there any trees, which flowers bloom all round the year and which flowers bloom only in certain months? Are there any trees or plants which never have any flowers? Find out and write. Okay, why this? Have you seen ever a board like this? Can you see this board over here? What is written here? Do not pluck flowers. So why these boards are there? Why do you think they do this? Do people pluck flowers when this board is there? Even this board is there, do you think people still pluck the flower? Should they do this? What would happen if everybody plucked flowers? Tell me. Should we pluck the flower from the garden whenever you go, or you go to somebody's place and the flowers are there? Do you think you should go and pluck it? No, we should not. So, let's look closely. Children who can bring flowers may bring 1 or 2 flowers to class. Means tomorrow whenever I'll take the class on Wednesday, you should have 1 flower with you, 1 or 2 different flowers. Remember that you must collect only fallen flowers. Children, do not pluck any flower. Okay, and then in front of me you will have to all show the flowers, and then we have to solve this whole questionnaires. Okay, you have to solve it.